What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, what's going on in the world of dating? What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing an oil change on a 2019 Challenger RT. So it's another oil change. Last time I did an oil change with my other cousin. It was a 2019 STI. Now here is my other cousin's car, a Challenger RT. All right, so we're teaching him how to jack. He's never jacked his own car.
Jacked off in my car.
Oh yeah. Go ahead and take the cap off first. That way when we empty out the oil, it flows. What? What? You only see your hands, man. And by the way, it says 5W20 on there. So that's what you got, right?
Yeah.
Alright. I don't know, when you open your little...
Lefty loosey, right?
Yeah, when you open your chocolate milk in the morning.
It's apple juice? Yeah, I can't do it, bro.
Yeah, maybe you shouldn't go to the Marines, dude.
Good.
I say right.
Okay, now I feel a little bit better.
Yeah, but he just worked out. Oh my god, are we serious? Alright, what's the trick? What's the trick? Watch this with a camera in my hand.
Righty loosey, lefty.
Fuck. Alright, hold this.
Oh my god. Okay, what's wrong with Let me try. Maybe that.
If anything, I loosened it. See? Told you, I loosened it. All right, now that that's out, we're gonna go to the bottom and take out the drain plug and then the filter. All right, so next we are taking off this little splash guard down here. How many screws are you taking out, or bolts? 4 bolts. And they are 10 millimeter, which is very hard to find in a tool set. So here are the 4 bolts that we took off for that splash guard there. As soon as you break it loose, you should be able to do the rest with your hand. I would take your watch off when you're, yeah.
Oh man, it gives you better grip. Break that shit. I'm gonna hurt his hand.
I love listening to you. I'm sitting over there talking. Freaking like a baby. Break that shit. Oh, I got it. I promise I got it.
Throw
Yeah.
a pan under it.
Is it, you can do it with your hand now?
Yeah, it looks like it.
All right, this is the money shot, dude.
Now, should I leave the actual, this piece here, let it fall in the pan too?
No, you don't want it to fall in the,
Take it with you.
yeah, give him a piece of paper towel or something. Up there.
It's coming out now, it's coming out.
There you go. Yeah,
Jason.
you're gonna keep the bolt in your hand. The plug.
Man, that's it.
And you dropped it. Push it back, push it back, push it back. Just like Josh, dude.
Josh got on the floor too?
Yeah, man.
Were you able to clean it up?
Well, it was at the condo. It wasn't here on this nice floor.
Were you able to clean it up though?
You will.
But it's possible.
We're gonna get you a toothbrush. So this is where the Fumoto drain valve comes in handy. So we're putting this plug back in, but we had the drain valve, which is so helpful. We wouldn't have to do this. You literally just open the lever, let it out, and then close it. All right, that should be good. Looks like you did good. Yep. All right. Next, we're gonna drain the filter. We're gonna take the filter off, which was over here more, right?
Yeah.
All right. Yep. But when you break it loose, once again, it's not gonna come out right away until you like loosen it. This one takes like a while to loosen, like 20 turns, I feel like, maybe, or 10. It's hot?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
All right, you wanna wait?
There's no other way to get it out?
Like without you getting your little fingers burnt? I mean, I don't know, men just do it usually. Yeah. You broke it loose?
Yeah.
All right, see, nothing's coming out yet.
Close your eyes.
Yeah, make sure nothing's spilling. Well, just make sure nothing gets in your eye, of
You
course.
guys know you should always be wearing glasses when you work on
Oh, I have glasses, you wanna wear them?
These are my fucking trunk.
Oh, yeah, they are, actually. Yeah, when I went with Alex.
I gotta fucking turn this bitch.
I told you, it's a lot.
Well, that worked out.
You can leave that filter in the pan there, yeah. All right, guys, make sure to lube this up right. This is this guy's first time. It's taking him forever.
Version.
All right, lubed up, ready to go. All right, now you're gonna tighten this
Doesn't matter if I use the glove?
Take the glove off.
I was gonna say.
Oh yeah, take your glove off.
This is the most.
I gotta remind him to wipe his ass and shit.
Let me guess, you f***ing stand up and pee, huh?
Make sure you're not cross-threading and it's going in like easy. Okay, you sure, mama? Hey, Alexa, pause. Cut. Hey, this is over, man. Give me. Let's lube it again.
Wait,
Stupid
why?
copyright music in the background, dude.
Sorry.
I'll try to put some
really
fart
don't
noises
really
over it.
do
No.
I was gonna say. So
Tighten it hard with your hand. Hand tight. This is literally with hand tight.
But you know, strong.
Yeah, like muscles.
okay.
You did?
No, because I don't know what muscles are.
That was all the hard part. I would just clean up under there, all the oil, just yeah, because everything's on there tight, clean it up. We're gonna pull everything out of here and clean up, and then we just gotta put the oil in and you're done. So it's not hard, right? Just time consuming a little bit?
I don't mind doing it.
The hardest part is probably jacking up the car.
Agreed. I broke literally all my fucking sweat.
Yeah. Look, he's on camera.
Oh shit. Oh god, it's personal. His information's out there now.
Yep, everyone look at this guy.
He's gonna be a nurse.
He used to like racing cars and stuff.
Now he drives an automatic.
That thing got a hemi. So we're gonna be doing 7 quarts. This is 5 right here. We'll do 2 of the other one. Another thing you need is a lot of paper towels for oil changes. Or rags, I guess. Alright, so here's the dipstick. Pull that out. You're gonna wipe it off. Yeah, put the paper towel closer so it doesn't drip when you bring it out. Nice, clean it off. So safe is between those 2 dots. You see where all the X's are? Let's flip the other side. Yeah, okay, so there. So, and then it says add if you're below this line.
Okay.
So if you're here, you need to add, so you want to be in between those 2 lines. So now you're gonna put the stick down all the way till it's closed and then lift it back up. Yeah, I think it's because you're hitting like the walls. You know when you go down, you're like hitting everything. So I think that's what it is. Yeah, I think you're good. I mean, you did 7 quarts.
Yeah.
That's what you're supposed to do. So first oil change. What do you think?
I'm consuming.
But easy, right? Anybody could do it.
For sure. Especially with the moto gear.
Moto gear, yeah. That's what you need next. Maybe Fumoto will sponsor the next one. Next oil change. So what are your plans? You're doing straight pipe next?
Yes.
Yeah? Do you know what kind of performance that'll give you?
Nope.
Just doing it for the sound.
I want it loud. I want to be heard on the streets.
In case you guys haven't noticed, we got these new lights in here which makes it so much easier to work. Of course, those are being blocked by the garage door. Not cool, but got the fans on, got the AC in here, and we're still sweating. Still doesn't do anything. Sucks. So I have the car in the garage now, and in case you guys haven't noticed, I got a box over there. That install will be coming soon. I got the Catless downpipe and the turbo heat shield, which hopefully I am trying to go to the track first. I haven't been to the track since I went stage 1, have the Accessport and the Cobb Intake. So I want to go to the track, see what kind of time I can get with that. Bone stock with everything stock, like 2,000 miles on the car. The best I could get was 14.0, and that was like 5 runs. The best I could get was 14.0. So I want to see what I can get with stage 1 to compare to stock, and then eventually when I throw that on, go stage 2. I want to see what kind of time I can get with that as well. Another thing I do have though besides stage 1 currently, stage 1 is the intake and the Accessport, but I also have the R400 exhaust. These are wider tires and a wider wheel, and I did still save 3 pounds for each one. So I do plan on putting out some more videos this week. I'm gonna try to hit up the Subie meet on Thursday. I want to try to hit up the track on Friday, and Sunday is Cars and Coffee in West Palm Beach, so I'll be going to that too, depending on the weather for all these things. It's Florida. It could rain one second, sunshine next second, so who knows. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks.